Okay, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're gonna make mango tapioca or mango sago. So the ingredients are
mangoes,
tapioca or sago. You can choose the big ones or the small ones, but since our local market had both, I picked both. And then we just need all-purpose cream and then condensed milk, but since we already have two all-purpose cream, this would be first step is we have to combine all of the wet ingredients. So
she a chef or whatever.
This one actually better if your all-purpose cream is a bit chilled, but I left this for too long in the fridge or the freezer, so it got frozen, but this would be fine as well. That's how it looks like. That's our mango sago, and all of the ingredients will be on the description box. Thank you for watching.
Bye.